Good morning everyone. So I have to go to Halfords now to get a new bulb. So this bulb stopped working. This is the blinker light.
The business specific function.
Whenever my workload is not high, I utilize my time by doing some learning. And for the past few days I am doing AWS courses. So I'll be taking this bag for the very first time outside. Something that I have been carrying with me for many years. I always carry a bandana with me. You can do a lot of wonderful things with it. Tie it on your hand, it looks cool. Make a small cap. The garbage collection day in Burnham, Slough is Monday. Okay, so I got the new bulb. So moment of truth. So there is no, it seems to be okay. When I was in India, I never really did anything with the cars. I have never really changed a tire as well. But in UK, you have to do things yourself because the labor cost is really high and you need to do DIY. It is, I think, a good thing because when you do DIY, you also learn things. And so I think I will keep this bulb somewhere in the car. So let us check the blackberries. Okay, so the day was quite okay. I did few things that I wanted to do, and especially I'm happy about indicator like the blinker light, which is now working. I was a bit worried because in UK, as I mentioned before, you cannot really drive with a faulty light. I also did one more AWS certification. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye.